A Jackery Solar Generator is an excellent choice for powering a rooftop tent, offering a blend of reliability, portability, and sustainability. These generators combine a high-capacity lithium-ion battery with efficient solar panels, providing a self-sufficient power solution ideal for camping and off-grid adventures. Key features and benefits. Portability. One of the standout features of Jackery solar generators is their portability. Models like the Jackery Explorer 1000 weigh around 22 pounds, making them easy to transport and handle. The compact design ensures they fit neatly within the limited space of a rooftop tent setup. Power capacity. Jackery solar generators come in various capacities, with the Explorer 1000 offering 1002 Wh of energy storage. This capacity is sufficient to charge multiple devices simultaneously, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, and even small appliances like mini fridges or electric grills. The generator provides several output options, including AC outlets, USB-A, and USB-C ports, catering to diverse power needs. Solar efficiency. Equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, such as the Jackery Solar Saga 100W, these generators can recharge from the sun in about 8 hours under optimal conditions. This feature ensures a continuous power supply without relying on traditional electrical sources, perfect for remote camping locations. The solar panels are foldable, lightweight, and easy to set up, further enhancing their practicality for rooftop tent users. Durability and reliability. Jackery generators are built to withstand outdoor conditions, with durable casing and components that can handle bumps and exposure to the elements. The Battery Management System, BMS, protects against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Quiet operation. Unlike traditional gas-powered generators, Jackery solar generators operate silently, which is a significant advantage for campers looking to enjoy the tranquility of nature without the noise and fumes of a gas engine. Use cases in rooftop tent camping. For rooftop tent campers, the Jackery solar generator provides a versatile power solution. It can run essential camping gear, like LED lights, fans, and portable heaters, enhancing comfort and convenience. The generator's ability to recharge during the day means campers can have a dependable power source even on extended trips. Its eco-friendly nature aligns with the sustainable ethos of many outdoor enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Jackery solar generator is a powerful, portable, and eco-friendly solution for rooftop tent camping. Its combination of high-capacity storage, efficient solar recharging, and multiple output options make it a versatile tool for any camping adventure. With Jackery, campers can enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of reliable power.